Hello everyone, welcome to Quantsapp. My name is Dharmendra Rajbhar. Today is really interesting topic I am going to talk about. It is about stop loss and target. Alright. So I will show you manually how to put the stop loss and target, how I will consider the data, okay, and I will show you the tool, okay, which will help you to place the stop loss and target if you are not, if you are confused about the stop loss and target. Alright. So I will show you both ways. So any of the tool or any of the setup you are fine with, you can utilize that. All right. So first we will discuss why target and stop loss is necessary. All right, because many times people think, okay, it is only stop loss and target, so they just skip this video. Okay, so it is not that. All right, stop loss and target is very much necessary. Just look at the few points, then consider that why it is important, and then you can consider taking target and stop loss also. All right. So first I will select here stop loss, here I will select the target. First of all, we all know that market, many times, there are many times there is a news, big news, okay, budget session, election, or any other international level, there are some news or something happen, war happen, okay. You can see there is a spike down or spike up in case of short position. Spike down, big candles is moving down, big candles moving down, and there are some volatility increase in the market. So you can see certain spikes in that particular script, okay. So to save from that particular uncertainty, stop loss is necessary. All right. So saving from uncertainty, right? Uncertainty, because see, in stop loss, let's just say in Bank Nifty you kept the 50 points stop loss, okay. So that means if you have bought ATM level option, that means at ATM level option it will be like 50 to 30 points. All right. Let's just say you have bought 500 quantity, okay. So here 12,500 to 15,000 will be losses, okay. But if you haven't put any stop loss here, let's just say the candle went down, okay, 150 points, then this stop loss will reach to 75 to 80. That means from 12,500 it will directly reach to 40,000. So which one is bigger, 12,000 or 40,000? And that is not all, okay. Some people think, okay, it is just a spike down, it will retrace back, and many times it went down, many times it goes down, okay. So from 150 points it goes to like 500 points. So here your entire capital will be wiped out. The 300 rupee option will become like 100, okay. So that means if you have put like 1,50,000, it will be close to 50,000 only. All right. So that is how it will help you to save from uncertainty. All right, uncertainty, okay, uncertainty. Now this is the first thing. Second, many people, sometimes not just a spike, okay. Why stop loss is also necessary? Because it will give you peace of mind, okay. Let's just say you have taken the trade and some urgent work came up, okay. So you need to attend the meeting, or you need to go somewhere else, market, or any other emergency, okay. So you don't have to worry about it whether if stock goes on, how much loss I am going to make. So you will worry about that, okay. But if you are keeping the stop loss, you don't have to worry about it, okay. So here how can say stop loss save from certainty, okay. So I can say peace of mind, all right. It's just a motivational speech, peace of mind, okay. So in Hindi we say shanti, okay, no worries, all right. So that is why stop loss is necessary, okay. That is why stop loss is necessary. Also, let's just say you are taking multiple trades, So if in multiple trades, if so much volatility is happening, you will hit multiple stop loss. So only few losses will be there, Okay, so you have taken like 2-3 trades, okay, some 10 points stop loss is there, okay, it's okay, you can manage, all right, because you are going to take the trade 1:2 or 1:3 ratio. So it will give you peace of mind and it will save you from uncertainty. Now why target is important? Because without target, without goal, our life will be, like I can say, not useful, I can say non-directional, okay, because we must have target and goals, okay, in order to grow in our life. So you need target. Why you need to target? To grow, okay, not to grow personally, to grow portfolio, you can say portfolio, to grow profit. Now if you define the target, that in this particular month I need to achieve 5% ROI, return on investment, I need to achieve 5%, or maybe like realistic for us 3 to 5%, okay, 3 to 5%, then only you will be able to scale it up, okay. Help us to scale trading, all right, help us to scale trading, and the target only will help me to understand whether I am into profitable or not. Because let's just say I am taking 10 trades, out of which 6 are marking, 6 are target and 4 are SL, okay, and I am keeping proper target 1:2 ratio, then only I will be profitable. It will help me to understand whether I am profitable or not. If I am just buying any particular option and I am just squaring it off at any place, it doesn't make any sense, all right. This is not how we do the business, okay. So it is very much necessary to know the target, it is very much necessary to know the stop loss. That is how you are going to use this stop loss and target to amplify, to improve your trading journey, all right. So you know how to what is the importance of stop loss and target. Now let me show you how to place the stop loss and target, okay, how to place the stop loss and target. Now I will show you all the way, okay. I will show you like 3-4 things, okay, 3-4 types. First I will use the OI, that means open interest, okay, according to the data, okay. So let's just say if I bought some particular stock, okay, if I bought some particular stocks, all right, I'll go to track, under option OI I'll go for open interest. So this is Atul Industry, all right. Now Atul Industry, you can see right now it is quoting at future price is 8,089 rupees. Let's just say at particular levels, okay, at particular levels you can see in open interest, you can see all green ones are call option writers, red one are put option writers. So call option writers are the resistance makers, put option writers are the support makers, all right. So it is very much feasible, it is very much realistic, and you can see most approachable step is to keep the stop loss as support or resistance, all right. So if the resistance is broken, you can keep the stop loss over here. That means here if I am all right, if I am placing the order, buy order at 8,084 current price, all right, you can see this particular resistance is broken, 8,000 level. So I can keep my stop loss over here 8,000 level, and here at which level I will put my target. You can see highest number of call writers is over here, that means 8,500. So I'll keep my target over there, 1:3 ratio, okay. So this is the most simplest way. Also if price is if price is here at this particular level, here I will also see the 7,600 level is a place, is a point at which the highest number of put option writers are there. So it will act as a support, okay. If the market is in between, okay, support and resistance, then you need to keep the stop loss as support level. So here you can see, here if the price is over here, I will keep my stop loss over here, but here you can see the call option writers who have made their position at 8,000 level, okay, the level has been breached, okay, the stock is going up and it is unwinding. That means the the call writers are winding up their position, all right. It is becoming weak, okay. As a resistance it is becoming weak, but as a support is becoming stronger, because you can see the put writers are increasing their position. So 8,000 level is becoming strong, so it will act as a strong support, it will act as a strong stop loss. So here I can keep my stop loss over here and keep my target over here if I am taking the bullish trade. Also let's just say the price is below 8,000 level, all right. So I can see at 8,000 level the highest number of call option writers there, so it will act as a strong resistance. So if I am shorting Atul Industry, if I am taking a short position in Atul Industry, so I'll keep my stop loss at 8,000 level. I'll keep my stop loss at 8,000 level and I'll keep my target at the highest number of put option writers. Let's just say if it is like here, okay, 7,900, okay, I'll keep my stop loss at 8,000. I'll sell the Atul Industry at 7,900 and I'll keep my profit over here, because this is the highest number of put option writers to the nearest level, okay. So this is how I am going to use the open interest to mark the support and resistance, to mark the stop loss and target, all right. This is a much simpler way. Now let's go to chart, okay. Now I am going to show you the second way, all right, here, all right. So here this is Atul, okay. Let me check the 5-minute time, okay. Now here you can see I have taken the trade over here in Atul Industry, okay. So what I'll do, whenever I am going to take the trade, okay, let's just say I am taking the bullish trade, okay. Let me remove this, okay. I am taking the bullish trade over here, okay. If I am considering this as a breakout, let's just say this is a breakout, I am going to take the trade over here. So what I'll do, I'll keep the stop loss at the nearest swing, okay. Apart from OI, if I am using only chart, I will keep my stop loss over here, and you can see this is a support here. You can see the 2 times the price has bounced back, so it will act as a strong support. I can keep, according to visual data, you can see I can keep the stop loss over here also and here also. So if I am going to take the bullish trade, let's just say I am buying at this particular level, there is a breakout, I will keep my stop loss over here, okay, and according to that I will keep my target at least 1:2, so you can see risk reward 1:2. This is how I am going to keep the target, okay. Now here the target, how I have decided the target, because previously it has made the high over here and it is acting as a resistance, you can see, okay. Now this one is the highest resistance, this one is the lowest resistance. So I'll mark it the lowest resistance, because I want a feasible target, realistic approach. So I will keep this as my target, okay. So you can see this target, how it is easily achievable, okay. This target has also achieved later on, but I am just showing you this one, all right. So you can see this is how I am going to keep the stop loss and target using the chart, okay. Now let me show you how to use the inbuilt tool offered by the Quantsapp and to set the target and stop loss, okay. So I'll go to trading, you can see stop and target, all right. So this stop and target is about future data, okay. So it will show you in a particular script the upper bound and the lower bound, okay. So let's just say if you are buying a Nifty at 24,180, so if I am conservative, I don't want to lose much more, so what I'll do, I'll keep my stop loss over here 24,134 and I'll keep my target at 24,596, okay, 24,596. So you can see I will get huge amount of profit, okay. Let's just say here, from here approximately you can see 200 to 600, okay. So most of them like 400 points target, and here you can see only 50 rupees downside, 50 rupees downside. So almost you can see 8 times, okay, 8 multiples. So 1:8 ratio. And now if I am more like moderate, I want to take more risk, I'll keep my stop loss as 24,018 moderate, okay, and I'll keep my target over here. Similarly, if I'm going to I will be aggressive, so I'll keep my stop loss at 23,902 and I'll keep my target at 24,827. So most of the time the market is bullish, that way stop loss is over here. And if you reverse it, this will become your stop loss. You are going for sell position, this will become your stop loss and this will become your target. But you need to see the proportion. You need to see the proportion. All of the stocks are near to the support. Resistance is far away. Okay. If it in between, you can consider taking the trade on either ways. But first see the direction of that particular stock. You can see the direction through the built up cycle. Okay. If you open the built up cycle, future, historical, so you will get the idea that this particular stock or market is an uptrend or downtrend, and according to that you can take the trade and consider this tool for keeping the stop loss and target. Alright. Now let me show you optimal stop and target. Okay. So let's just say I am going to take the trade, okay, in options. Okay. Here the liquidity is very low, so I will consider here taking Nifty. Okay. So here I am going to take Nifty. I will select Nifty. All right. So it will give you automatic data, okay, where you should keep your stop loss and target. So let's just say, okay, on 5th of August. All right. So here you can see, if I want to buy it over here, okay, on this particular time, 5th August, 1:30. Okay, the price was, okay, the price was quoting at 160 rupees. Right, the price was quoting at 160 rupees. You can see it over here. Okay, 168. Okay, at 168, here it is showing the optimal target should be 276 and the optimal stop loss should be 120. Okay, according to this tool. Okay, if you don't want to do manually, as I have shown you earlier, I have shown you 3 ways. This is the 4th one. If you don't want to do manually, you can directly come to this tool. It will give you the optimal target and optimal stop loss. So here you can see, if I bought it at 168, okay, 168. Now here it is showing me the optimal target should be 276. So whether it has achieved? Yes, it has achieved over here. Okay, it made the high. It made the high of 280. Okay, more than 280, 290. Okay, so it will show you what will be the optimum target, what will be the optimum stop loss. You can see the target is bigger, stop loss is small. So whenever you are looking at the stop loss, just see the width between them. Okay, if the width is low, then only you can go ahead. Okay, if the width is more, here you can see, and here obviously this one is bigger, this one is smaller, but you can say the width is more. Okay, if I am keeping the cursor over here 193, you can say the stop loss is 124. It is way more bigger, 70 points. Okay, here you can see here 168 and 192, or I am sorry, yeah, 116, 269. Okay, so from 168 to 116, okay, almost you can see 40-50 points. Okay, so okay, that will be considered, that can be considered. Okay, but more than 100 points is not considered. All right. So this is the optimal stop and target. You can use it. Okay, and you going for conservative, you are going for moderate, the risk, the target will increase, the risk will be there. Okay, if you want to go for aggressive, select it, the target will be much bigger. All right, but for aggressive and moderate, only to consider when there is more volatility in the market, then only you can consider it. Okay, So this is the optimal stop and target you can utilize. So I have shown you 4 way. First I have shown you OI, okay, open interest, how to use the open interest to mark the stop loss and target. Then I have shown you on the chart, okay, how to use the swing, latest swing to mark as a stop loss and to latest resistance to mark as a target. Then I have shown you stop and target by using the future data, all 3, alright. Then I have shown you optimal stop and target using the option data, okay. So this is how you are going to use the data to mark the stop loss and target. So this is all about stop loss and target. If you like this session, please like and share. If you have any doubts regarding the tool, please call on the number mentioned above. You will get all the help from our advisors. This is Dharmendra Rajbhar. Thank you very much.